Good morning.
It is time. Man, I
this is
love the
not the
A-Team.
vibe.
Wow. Thank God.
Hold on. Let's find. This is more the vibe. Okay.
Dun, dun. We are on our way to our first trip in the longest drive ever. That's what I'm calling it. We're going to Albuquerque. It is
8:45.
no. How many hours?
Oh, 9 hours. But I told my family.
I thought it was 11.
I don't know.
We don't know.
I told my family it was 8 to make them feel better, but I don't know.
But I think it's actually 11.
See.
Right now we need to get gas because your car cannot go without gas.
No, that was my dad's biggest rule. He said, before you leave anywhere, you fill up. And I said,
Yes, we do, Brett. Yes, we do. Just testing out some angles for the vlog right now.
I think this is a winner. This is terrible.
Maybe can I turn it?
Oh!
Freedom! Oh God. Okay, so we were told that every place we go, we need to find the biggest threat. So we're at Chick-fil-A. So what is the biggest threat? Survey the area.
Well, it's not the worker because we know they're
sent from heaven.
So I don't really know where we're going. I haven't mapped it. I assume we're going down I-35. So we're gonna try that. And Elk City.
Elk City, baby. Yeah. Shout out Drew. We saw a sign for Woodward.
Love you, Drew.
Change. Yes.
What did you do
Like that.
A lot was going on in there. And we were just in there changing. But I feel like a new woman. I do. Yeah.
Am I driving now?
Yes. I'm at a loss. I didn't really know what to wear. So I'll probably change 4 times today. So I won't lie.
It's okay. I brought my whole closet.
Yes.
Okay, we're getting gas here. We are in Texas now, though. Amarillo. Yeah. Anything else? What's our biggest threat? There's literally nothing here.
There's no one here.
There's literally nothing
here. There's just construction, so I feel like that's a big thing. But I would say our biggest threat is that no one else is here. So the worker, yeah.
Literally, it's a ghost town. Yeah. Also, tell them about when we stopped for gas.
Okay, so we stopped for gas in Amarillo.
Nope, you got it. Yeah.
Stopped for gas in Amarillo. Hold on, let's fix this brightness here. There we go. There we go. Stopped for gas in Amarillo, and we went to the Chevron, and we were the only people there.
And so we were like, oh, great.
We were good, but also that made me a little nervous just because we don't know worker, what their vibe is.
We soon find out.
Anyways, soon to find out. So I go in first because Grace is getting gas. I go to the bathroom, and I come out, and I'm getting coffee, and Grace comes with ice. And so I go up, and he's like, hi, how are you? And it's an older, probably mid-50s man. And I'm like, I'm good, how are you? And he was like, well, I've been fighting off bronchitis for 3 to 4 weeks. So I said,
as you do.
Oh, I said, I'm so sorry. And I was like, I had bronchitis about a month ago. It's really bad. Sorry. And he goes, yeah, they had to take me to the hospital. Who is they? We don't know. They had to take me to the hospital because I couldn't breathe. That's how we found out I had bronchitis. And I said, oh.
You hate to see it.
I'm so sorry. So in the midst of this conversation, Grace walks in, followed by a homeless man.
Legit followed. I mean, 1 step behind me.
And I was like,
and I kept looking back, and he kept getting closer.
Oh no.
And all the way through the store to the bathroom, and then I was just waiting for him to walk to the bathroom.
So then the homeless man picks up donut sticks, little W donut sticks. And so I stood there because I was safety in numbers. So I waited there, and then the homeless man left.
Oh, that's why you waited for me?
Yeah, I wasn't gonna go out to the car.
How sweet.
Thank you. Just and I'm just kind of ready to be out of the car. My body is just not just tight.
Beyonce. From Beyonce to Frank Sinatra.
Kind of a weirdo. I'll say it.
Kind of. In other words,
I don't know the words.
I'm extremely valuable, and I prefer to waste it on girls that's basic. I'm loving Albuquerque. What about you?
This is my dream city right here.
Oh, hey there.
Oh yeah.
So we're definitely gonna go to Jerry's Market, right?
Yes, absolutely. There were bars on the door, so I feel safe. I have police issued flashlight
We'll get them.
that doubles as a light and a weapon. Oh, horses.
See, protection.
Guard dogs. I love the Christmas decorations.
Me too, because you know what? Oh, holy night. Welcome to the casita.
Ole.
Look, we have 2 beds.
Oh
Wait, this is so cute.
This is
Oh my
precious.
gosh. Dude, I sounded so annoying.
Yeah, that was horrible.
Wow. This is like our own little home.
Look, and we
I know, it's so private. Look. Wow.
like we can get ready right here.
Well, there's also a back.
Ready. One of us
Oh my gosh, we can both get ready. Thank you, God.
same time. Oh my god, this was a
They really
win.
got us.
Like,
This is a win.
Okay.
Judith,
You can't judge a book by its cover. We've learned that lesson. Like, we said this is going to be a spiritual journey. First lesson learned, don't judge a book by its cover. This is great.
I hated that, but she's
Okay.
right. Oh my God, look, Missy.
Oh my gosh, do you think she'll charge us?
We are on Central Avenue in Albuquerque.
Central Avenue.
We went to a coffee shop. It's called Humble.
Sitting down and being humble.
Hashtag Kendrick Lamar, the only coffee he drinks.
Absolutely.
We also have our very own personal crosswalk person.
He said,
Oh. I don't even know how to tell them what just happened.
so we're like literally feet from my car. I mean, like I am like reaching
almost
for
to
the
the
door
door.
handle, and this man, we're wearing the same shoes, and this man walks up and goes, "Can I get a picture of your matching shoes, ladies?" And literally, like without us even being like, "Yes,"
He just starts snapping pics. Has a skull tattoo on his leg, so super hot.
And like, I don't think that's like.
We did not get consent, and we were kept walking. Like those are blurry pictures.
No, like I don't know
Not
what he was
good.
going for.
Not Instagrammable. Dinner and a show.
You luckiest girls.
The luckiest. Brown-eyed girl.
I have green eyes. We're at Al Cafe.
Thank you.
Al
Al
Cafe
Cafe.
as a recommendation from Debbie.
Thank you, Debbie.
We're here for the shakes and the shakes only.
And the Instagram cloud.
And the Instagram cloud because that's the whole trip.
That's the whole trip.
Okay, let's see here what this is.
They gave us this. We did not ask for it. It was just given to us.
It's really good.
So these were so good. Look how much they give you.
Changed my life. Brahms, fake. Like
Brahms is fake.
like you know that like
This is literally 2 shakes.
I wouldn't say that.
Literally, it was 2 shakes.
They show them what we do.
Oh, we're gonna show the people?
We're gonna show people.
Okay, so I printed a bunch of pictures before we left of us. Like this one here. And then everywhere that we go, I'm going to. What are you doing?
I would have put on my Snapchat what we're doing. Okay.
Oh. Well, can you wait till I tell the people? Okay. And then everywhere that we go, we wrote a little note. To get them to follow us and stuff. Also, I mean, he's hot. Like, I want him to see it. And then, I'm not gonna give it to him.
Give me two. I'm trying to get her.
Oh, trying to get him on film? Oh. Okay, I'm gonna try to get, well, maybe, I don't know. Anyway, so we're trying to get his follow, but really anyone's follow.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's so cute. Oh my god. Macy, look, look, that's perfect for you.
I don't like your touch.
Also, look at that one. You don't know what that bonita means?
I gotta see in Spanish.
It means pretty.
Oh. La bonita. Hola.
The carbon monoxide alarm is going off. I love the casita.